Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you about that how Titanic sank. So let's start. April 1912, the world's largest and the most luxurious ship, the RMS Titanic, set sail on its maiden voyage. It was called unsinkable, but in just 4 days it would lie at the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean. This is the full detailed story of how the Titanic became one of the greatest maritime disasters in history. Number 1. The Dream Ship. Titanic was a marvel of its time. 882 feet long, over 46,000 tons, and fitted with swimming pools, grand staircases, and electric elevators. Built by Harland and Wolff in Belfast for the White Star Line. It promised comfort, speed, and safety. People believed it was unsinkable thanks to its watertight compartment and cutting-edge technology. Number 2. The Maiden Voyage. On April 10, 1912, Titanic departed from Southampton, England after a brief stop in Cherbourg, France and Queenstown. Ireland, it sailed into the open Atlantic bound for New York City. On board were over 2,200 people, millionaire immigrant crew, all full of hope. Warning ignored. By April 14, the Titanic was deep into the icy North Atlantic. That day alone, the ship received 6 iceberg warnings from nearby vessels. But Captain Edward Smith kept Titanic near top speed. Over 22 knots, the sea was calm, the night moonless, icebergs were nearly invisible. Number 4. The collision. 11:40 p.m. Lookout spotted an iceberg dead ahead. Alarm rang. The crew tried to turn and reverse engines, but it was too late. The iceberg scraped the starboard side below the water line, ripping open 5 compartments. The Titanic was doomed. Number 5. The sinking began. Titanic could stay afloat with 4 flooded compartments, but 5 was too many. Water poured in. The bow began to dip. The ship's designer Thomas Andrew released the truth. Titanic would sink and fast. Panic spread. Crew began to wake passengers and prepare lifeboats. Number 6. Choice and evacuation. Titanic had only 20 lifeboats, enough for barely half the people on board. Many boats launched half empty and there was no clear evacuation plan. Some men were kept back while women and children were loaded first. Cold wind, darkness, and confusion ruled the night. Number 7. The final moment. 2:18 a.m. Titanic light flickered. The ship broke into near the third funnel. The bow plunged underwater. The stern rose upright that followed it down. 2:20 a.m. Titanic was gone. Silence followed. Over 1,500 people were now in the freezing ocean. Number 8. Death in the cold. The water was below freezing, around -2 centigrade. People in the ocean died within minutes from hypothermia. Out of 2,200 people, only 705 survived. Most of them were in lifeboat, helpless to save the rest. Number 9. Rescue and aftermath. At 4 a.m., the ship Carpathia arrived and began rescuing survivors. It took hours to pull everyone aboard. Carpathia reached New York on April 18 to crowd of grieving families and stunned journalists. Chapter 10. Number 10. The lesson of Titanic. The world demanded answer. Investigation exposed serious failures. Not enough lifeboats. Ignored warning. Lack of emergency drills. New laws followed. Ship had to carry enough lifeboat for all. Maintain 24-hour radio and follow iceberg patrol zones. Number 11. The wreck and legacy. The Titanic wreck lay undiscovered until 1985, when Dr. Robert Ballard located it nearly 2.5 miles deep. The ship was broken in two, resting silently in the dark. Today, it's both a memorial and a symbol of pride, tragedy, and the cost of human overconfidence. The Titanic was built to be unthinkable, but in a single night it became history. Its story still haunts us over 100 years later. If you found this story powerful, like and subscribe for more historical deep dives. Thank you for watching my video.